Gilid. Gilid.
Pa-play ba yan?
Ano kaya
Ha?
ito gimbal na nabasa
Pa-play?
Oo.
na hindi niya magawang paniwalaan. At ang may kinalaman kaya dito, ang kinaiinisan niyang madrasta ni Steve. Mga kapatid, kami po'y magbabalik. Saan na po kayo?
Dito na kami sa True FM sa 105.9.
Hey, Austin Reeves here for Arena Plus. They say Filipinos are meant for basketball. I say, just
Controller.
like you, I was an underdog. But with heart and dedication, you can beat them all. Especially on Arena Plus, where you can watch your favorite
pyesa.
basketball games live and experience them like no other. Push your passion to play plus more with Arena Plus.
Download the Arena Plus app now from the App Store or go to
Ay, katulad sa
arenaplus.ph.
atin.
Fun, game
Lagayan
responsibly.
na yung
This
back.
health tip is brought to you by
Nasa taas
Simdex D. Sa Simdex D,
Yellow.
damang alaga, damang ginhawa.
Ah, meron pala tayo?
Get sufficient sleep
Matirigan na?
every
Oo.
night. Good sleep is
Iba yun sa atin eh.
on which
Hindi
many
ganyan.
aspects of health are built, including mental sharpness, emotional balance, and physical
Controller
energy.
yun yung
Aim for
taas.
7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. This might mean adjusting your evening routine to include a winding down period, avoiding screens an hour before bedtime, and creating a comfortable sleep environment. By prioritizing sleep, you're setting yourself up for more productive days, a brighter mood, and a stronger immune system. That health tip was brought to you by Simdex D. Sa Simdex D, dama ang alaga, dama ang ginhawa.
Ang oras, 12:40.
Ang oras sa True FM ay hatid sa inyo ng Arena Plus. Sa Arena Plus, astig sa sports. Download Arena Plus app now in App Store. You can watch it also on
Parehas, diba?
arenaplus.ph.
Parehas?
Sa Arena Plus, astig sa sports. Gaming is for 21 years old and above only. Keep it fun, game responsibly. Balik tayo sa kwento ng iba. Kwento mo rin ba? Sana Lord sa True FM sa 105.9. Sana Lord sa
Fragile.
105.9.
Alright, mga kapatid, ang kwento po natin ay sinulat po ni Macris Magboo Orpilia. Ito po ang dulang pinamagatang mga retaso ng kahapon. Sa direksyon po ni Eric Galvez at Jojo Galvez, ang mga actors po natin, mga kapatid, ang bagong gupit o kulay ng buhok na si Marjorie Numerable po bilang Irene, Grace at Amelia. Si Kuya